Hello everyone! In this video, I'll demonstrate how to incorporate a Comic Cut transition into your footage using CapCut PC Pro in a few simple steps. To get started, add your videos to the timeline and make any necessary trims. Next, go to the Transitions tab and locate the Comic Cut transition. Please note that this is a pro feature. If it's your first time using this transition, you'll need to download it by clicking the download icon. Then, add it to your project by clicking the plus sign or dragging it between your two video clips. A window will pop up asking you to create duplicate frames for a transition. Simply click OK. Once the Comic Cut transition is added, you'll see a gray box between the two video clips. Upon playback, the Comic Cut transition will be visible. You can adjust the transition time by dragging the gray box or adjusting the duration settings. You can also click Apply to All to apply the transition to multiple clips. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching.